All right, and here we go. This will be test 3 or the third video in testing the new Andromo AI app builder. And I went to my bag of tricks for this one because I got some prompts to use for the AI builder that I put in the chat GPT actually. And I'm going to give you a quick glimpse of that. Yeah. So anyway, um, I just put in there, what Andromo expects for the prompts to enter into the Andromo AI app builder. Okay. And so, yeah, they gave me a list of prompts to use, some warm up prompts and some more advanced prompts, actually. So, anyway, I chose one. I chose number 13. Let's see. This workout planner. Okay. And we're going to use that and put into the Andromo AI app builder. So, let's go ahead and get started. Okay. Not too complex, kind of simple, right? Um, and I guess that's where you could upload an image. Like say you want to clone an app or clone an app, excuse me, um, or create an app that you want to kind of match the image that you upload. And so anyway, let's go ahead and get it done. Let's see what we got going here. So we're gonna put it through the test right now. Um, and okay, so far it's loading pretty quickly. Let's see what we get here. And I may do a comparison too. But so far, we just want to see what Andromo is available. Actually, I made this prompt product before Andromo AI came out. And I'm going to show you real quick um, while that's building. And actually, I should have built this in incognito mode, like I said before. But I went ahead and built it on a regular Chrome browser. Okay. And let's see. So that's what we got going here. Real quick, this is one of my products. Okay. This is the 200 App Builder Prompts Pro Pack. Matter of fact, I may use some prompts from this. Okay. And you'll better get this on Gumroad and a few other um, places, but that's one of them. Okay. So anyway, let's let it finish doing its thing. And yeah, we might go deep into the night on this. It's 11:06 p.m. Okay. So, Andromo, let's do your thing. I got faith in you. And like I said, I may do a comparison. Matter of fact, I am going to do a comparison. I'm going to put it in incognito mode this time. Okay. So let's see if it continues to do what it does. And this is what they want you to for the prompts. This is what they want you to do on the Discord. Keep prompts short and explicit. Create X that does Y and Z. And here's some more instructions here, and so on. So yeah. So interesting. Okay. Yep. And yeah. Okay. Oh, here's some examples they want you to use. I didn't see this part. Okay. But yeah, look at that. Okay. All right. Well, see, actually, when I clicked this, it just took me down to this part. So anyway, yeah, these are examples they want you to use. So anyway, let's go back to the build. Okay. Post plan. Okay. Uh, okay, out the gate is starting with the email and everything. I guess before you even get started. Uh, don't like that real, you know. Uh, let's see what happens. I guess you have to sign up first. Okay. Before we can use it. So let's try that. Let's see how that works. Uh check email for verification. Let's go ahead and do that. I'll pause the video and do that real quick. Where am I at? I'm recording. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay. Let's pause. Okay, so that actually worked pretty good because it actually sent me an email with the code. Okay. So let's enter that code and verify. And let's see what we got going on. Post plan. Okay. Start empty workout or reset. Okay. Let's see. Add exercise. All right, let's try something. Bench press. Add exercise. Dumbbell fly. Add exercise. Squats. Okay, let's just try that just to see what it does. Okay. And let's see. I guess that's a workout plan. Finish. All right. So post plan, I guess it got your session ready. And let's see what it does. Oops. Okay. I'm not quite sure what it does, but I guess it did do its thing. Let's try it again. Okay. Let's try some push-ups. Add exercise. Bench press. Okay. And yeah. So let's see. What's this? Okay, I guess you got to put in how many push-ups. Okay. I guess I'm gonna try and work it. Okay, and finish. I'm not sure if that's what it's supposed to do, but recent activity. I guess it did. Okay. Loading preview. So that was a demonstration of that type of app. And real quick. Okay. And yeah, so I guess it did do what it was supposed to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that same prompt in, let's see, go back to the dashboard. Oops. Go back to the drawing board, I mean. Okay, that's it right there. Now, I'm going to take that same prompt and put it into Bolt and see how theirs look. But yeah, let's go back to the preview again. And like I said, the email did work. So that system is already in place. Okay. So let's put it in Bolt. Okay. Yeah. And build now. Let me sign up first. Hold on. Okay. Now I guess it is running. So let's go ahead and build now. And let's see what Bolt does. Okay. Is it okay? So I'm going to pause this video. Okay, real quick. Now, I'm sorry, Bolt just finished building this workout planner. So real quick, let me go to Andromo's real quick. And this is how this one looks. Andromo's. Let's get a full view here if we can. Okay, so you can take a look at it. This is Andromo AI's. Oh, come on, internet. Okay. Well, that's loading slow. Okay. Anyway, here is bolts. Okay. So let's make that full screen. Wow, we are really having technical difficulties here. Okay, there we go. So just like Andromo's, you add a new workout. Let's see, push day. Okay, give it a name. there's a little bit, adds a little bit more. Push day. Let's see. Create workout. Let's see what's going to do. Working slow here. Yeah, I really want to finish this tonight. Okay, it's 11:33 p.m. All right, let's try it again. Okay, now keep in mind. All right, well, I'm having problems with that right now. But I also built this with Lovable, and I'm gonna show you Lovables. Okay, here is Lovables. Preview. Yeah, so this is Lovables. Can we go full screen on this? All right, this is Lovables. And Lovables come with, I guess it got some reps there. Some examples there. Okay. So exercise, deadlift. Let's go with the example. Deadlift. Get some light on the subject. Okay. Add. Okay. And it added deadlift down there. Okay. So, yeah. So that's your workout plan right there. Okay. All righty. So that's comparison with 3 workout planners. Okay. With the focus being on Andromo's app builder. Okay. So let's get a full screener. That's Bolt's full screen. And let's get one of Andromo's. We can get it loaded. But anyway, that's just one build. It's not going to load. So I'm going to see you in the next video where we're going to build another app. So Christopher Wilson, Mobile App Mogul, signing off.